How to transfer money between accounts in Concentra. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to transfer money between your accounts at Concentra Bank, in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So, first of all, you will need to log in into their online banking portal or their mobile app. Go to Explore EQ Bank from their official website, and you will be taken to the official website for EQ Bank. You can directly log into eqbank.ca. Look out for the menu at the top right corner, tap on it, and from there, just go ahead and tap on sign in. And then you can use your credentials for your banking application and then log in into your account. So just go ahead and do so. You may just go ahead and enter your credentials in your Concentra bank account by logging in. After that, you can just go ahead and find the transfer feature. So you may just look for a transfer or fund transfer similar option within the navigation menu in the Concentra application. After that, select the option to transfer money between my accounts. Once you do so, you need to select the account you wish to transfer your funds from and select the account you want to transfer the funds to. Once you do that, you can enter the amount you wish to transfer. Optionally, you can even add up a description or comment for your records and select the date for your transfer. You may be able to schedule future or recurring transfer. After that is done, you can review the transaction details and confirm the transfer to complete the process. And that way, you can transfer the money, and you must have more than one account with Concentra Bank to make a transfer. And the specific names of buttons or menu options may vary slightly depending upon the platform. And that's it. So you may try out this method necessarily if you'd like to transfer money. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.